Packing for a move can feel overwhelming, but with a little planning, it can actually go pretty smoothly. Here are a few simple tips to make the process faster, easier, and less stressful. Start early and pack one room at a time. This keeps things organized and helps you track your progress. Begin with items you use the least and save essentials for last. Before packing, declutter. The less you move, the less you spend. So take this opportunity to get rid of things you don't need. Donate, sell, or toss items that won't make the trip to your new home. Next, gather the right supplies. You'll need sturdy boxes, packing tape, bubble wrap, and markers for labeling. Make sure each box is strong enough for its contents. Heavier items like books should go in smaller boxes, while lighter items can fill larger ones. When packing, wrap fragile items carefully and fill empty spaces with soft materials like towels or paper to prevent shifting. Always label boxes clearly with what's inside and which room they belong in. Keep a first night box with things you'll need right away, like toiletries, a change of clothes, snacks, and important documents. That way, you won't have to dig through everything after a long day of moving. Finally, give yourself plenty of time. Packing in short, steady sessions is way easier than trying to do it all at once. A little organization goes a long way toward making your move stress-free and efficient. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email us at contactusmovers.com. You can also call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.